John Estrada nagsalita na tungkol sa babaeng kasama sa Bora, humiling ng privacy, pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel ay huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa latest chika. Nagsalita na ang aktor na si John Estrada tungkol sa naglalabasang balita na hiwalay na sila ng asawang si Priscilla Meireles. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram story, nagpost ang kapamilya star ng mensahe hinggil sa current situation nila ng aktres at dating beauty queen. Priscilla and I have mutually agreed to take a break for quite some time now. There's more to the story, but the last thing I want to do is to hurt the people I love, ang simulang pahayag ni John. Patuloy pa niya, I want to make it clear that I am not in a relationship with Lily Holman or any other woman for that matter. I just met her in Boracay. I had a short break from work and felt the need for a breather, aniya pa sa kanyang IG post. Nakiusap din siya sa publiko na huwag nang magpakalat ng mga fake news tungkol sa kanila ni Priscilla, lalo na ang mga nagpost sa social media ng mga kasinungalingan about him. This is a private family matter, that's why I asked for privacy as we deal with this. Thank you. Dagdag na pahayag pa ng aktor. Nauna rito, nag-Facebook live si Priscilla tungkol sa sitwasyon nila ni John. Inamin ng ex-beauty queen na nagpunta siya ng Brazil kasama ang nag-iisang anak nila ni John na si Anechka para makapiling ang pamilya dahil gusto nitong mag-isip-isip. I need some time for myself to think about life, to plan the future, my daughter's future, the future of my family, and of course the best way to do that is really to go to your loved ones, to your family, kasi sila talaga yung foundation. At saka ipinaalala ng ex-beauty queen na maging kind dahil hindi alam ng lahat kung ano ang pinagdadaanan ng taong ito, at ipinaalala rin nito ang salitang respeto sa kapwa. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang dinadaanan ng mga tao, pero we can never forget that we should always remember that respect is the most important thing that exists. Respect sa tao, respect sa family, respect sa bansa, so we should always keep in mind that respect is more important even than love. For me, respect comes first and love comes next. At dahil dyan, gusto kong sabihin sa inyong lahat that I love you guys, I love the Philippines, and I'll be there on August. I'm just taking this time away to spend time with my family and show my daughter around, to rewind because there's a lot of things I'd like to think, to plan my life, what's gonna happen next, because sometimes it's better for you to take yourself out of the situation, so that you can take clearing, do the things that you need to do to clear your mind and heart. Mahabang pahayag ni Priscilla. I need to say had enough. I have a voice and I had enough. I think when you do things you need to be very careful about the consequences of the things you do in life. We all grown-ups, say pa niya. Anong masasabi nyo sa ating chismis ngayon? Mag-comment na at subscribe para updated ka sa latest chika na gaya nito. Maraming salamat po.